Happy Thanksgiving to all of my viewers, friends, and subscribers. As you can see, I am at my grandmother's house and she has a new deck. And I can hear a heat pump running. I don't know which one it is. Actually, it's about 60 degrees, so if someone's cooking turkey and the oven heated up the house enough, they might have it in cool mode. Oh, it's that Goodman. The 07 Goodman. See if the train's running. That's the one I want a video of. Doesn't sound like it's running, damn it. The XL20i. And there you go, the dual compressors. And that is a two-bladed fan. Something just turned on. That might have actually been my grandmother's Goodman. I hope this thing turns on today. It's supposed to get a little bit cooler outside. There's the 2006 Bryant right there. And again, further proof that this is an XL20i. Hope this thing turns on. Well, there's one way to tell if it was running recently. Yeah, there's a slight warmth to it. No filter dryer? Maybe it's internal. It's a pretty clean install though. Plenty of space. It's a little bit cramped back here, but if I were a technician servicing this thing, I feel I'd have plenty of space. They relocated the disconnect box. Let's go see what turned on. I think it's my grandma's heat pump that just turned on. No, that's the York. That's the 04 or 05 York. Yeah, that's the York. Running in heat mode. Oh, is this defrosting? It's not even that warm out or that cold out and it's defrosting? That's weird. Don't think it's going to give a steam show. Don't know what kind of compressor this has. Oh, it looks like it has a scroll. That was a short defrost cycle. Like I said, it's in the 50s right now. Can't believe it's defrosting when it's in the 50s. That was weird. Can't believe it's defrosting. Alright. Affinity. The Affinity. I don't think that's running either. No, that's not running. So this is a 4-ton York Affinity 2S 12 SEER from 2001, if I remember correctly. Let's see what else is going on back here. There's a Lennox heat pump right there. Yeah, the HOA is replacing decks in this neighborhood. That York over there is running, as is that one. A Trane, I believe it's an XL20i or 15i. Filmed it before, but that was years ago. And there's a Goodman heat pump right there. What I really want to film is that Trane. And it's weird that my neighbor's York heat pump back there, or my grandma's neighbor's York heat pump went into defrost when it's in the 50s. Lennox again. Also, what I've noticed is I have filmed probably less than a third of the heat pumps in this neighborhood and seen less than 2/3, but I have not seen any carriers yet. I've seen Bryant, York, Goodman. What the heck else have I seen? That's about it. Bryant, York, and Goodman seem to be the most popular brands. Haven't seen a carrier. Oh, Lennox. I've seen the one Lennox back there. Nice air conditioner right here. And that might be a new concrete pad they put in there. Oh, is that water down there? Did this thing defrost? Running out of memory here. As you can see, the label on the center medallion thing right here is completely faded off. You can just make out where it says Evolution heat pump, and it says 2-stage right there, but this is a nearly 6-year-old unit, and that's what exposure to the elements will do. But other than that, obviously that's not a big deal. This heat pump is incredibly quiet. Hasn't given the owner any problems. It's a 3-ton Bryant Evolution System. 18 SEER, I think. That one has a filter dryer. I don't know if my grandma's Goodman has a filter dryer or not. But yeah, everything's down there. It's got a compressor, sound blanket. It looks like it might actually have a crankcase heater. It's got dual filter dryers. There's the reversing valve right there. So yeah, that's a 3-ton or 36,000 BTU Bryant heat pump, and the Trane is 3 tons as well. I don't even remember if the Goodman has a filter dryer on it or not. Let's go take a look. Excuse me. No, it does not. I don't think it's as big a deal as if they replaced it with a 410A unit, because the unit it replaced was R22. This is R22, so it's not as big a deal. Yeah, this is the Goodman. My grandma's Goodman. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully I will be back. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.